President Bongbong Marcos is calling on Filipinos to vote straight for all Alyansa para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial candidates if they do not want a return to the country's bloody past. In his speech during the Alyansa's proclamation rally on Tuesday, February 11, Marcos asks if Filipinos want to return to a time he describes as when the Philippines was being sold to foreigners as a land for gambling. He also alludes to a time when the country was a killing field due to the drug war.
Babalik ba tayo sa nakaraan na ibinubugaw ang ating bayan bilang isang sugalan ng mga dayuhan? Nais ba natin bumalik sa landas na umaapaw sa dugo ng mga inosenteng mga bata na inagaw sa kanilang mga anak, mga ina, kinuha sa kanilang mga tahanan at inagaw ang kanilang kinabukasan?
According to the president, no Filipino wants the government to revert back to its old ways. He then emphasizes why it will be important to elect senators who were not part of past schemes.
Kaya't, sa darating na Mayo po, huwag nyo na pong tignan ang mga ibang mga pangalan. I-shade nyo na po lahat po itong nandito na nasa harap ninyo at gawing nating 12-0 ang ating resulta sa Senado. Nang sa ganon, matitiyak natin ang kinabukasan ng ating minamahal na Pilipinas.
Marcos' speech appears to be a jab at the former President Rodrigo Duterte's administration as he mentioned several issues thrown against his predecessor, including human rights violations and the drug war, alleged mismanagement during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the proliferation of Philippine offshore gaming operators. The chief executive also appeared to criticize Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder and senatorial Bet Apollo Kibuloy, a close ally of Duterte. According to Marcos, none of the Alyansa senatorial candidates play wholly only to be charged for allegedly abusing women and minors as young as 12 years old. The result of the May 12 senatorial race is crucial for Duterte's daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte, because it will determine the composition of the Senate impeachment court that is expected to hear the impeachment complaint against her.